What is going on, guys? This is the go-to guy. Very first video I'm ever gonna make right here. I'm at work, just kind of bored. Not really been into the YouTube thing, but I've watched a lot of videos, thought it might be kind of cool, so thought I might give it a shot. This is gonna be a really low quality grade video. I am using my phone. It's S8 Plus, and the camera's kind of messed up, so sorry for that ahead of time. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial over a takeuchi tl12 skid steer. And I'm going to make another video over the attachment on it, which is a Fekin brush grinder, also known as a mulcher. Give you a quick video over it, let you know some information about it in case you haven't ran one before and you're trying to figure something out. So takeuchi tl12, okay, motor and everything obviously is back here. You want to make sure every time you go to get in one of these pieces of equipment, okay, you want to make sure, okay, handle, you got to flip this up, open the door. You want to make sure and check everything before you get in one, you know, run it. You got the L filter, you know, the oils over here, different things like that, you know, just check stuff. You don't want to run something low. There's fuel filter in case you kind of want to know where it's at. Okay, now let me show you real quick. You got grease certs, all right. These don't have any on the tracks, but you do have them on the hydraulic arms. Going there and there. You'll have them up here on the quick attach. Up here, there should be 2 on each. Honestly, that's pretty much all on the outside, other than here's the fuel on the outside, and it does take the key. You gotta use the key to take it out. Like I said, this is a poor quality video. I apologize in advance. Just kind of bored, so thought I might try to help somebody out. And if you have to work on it, this right here is your safety for your arm. You raise it all the way up, pull the pin, drops it down, and then you lower it down on the arm, and it'll hold the arm up out of your way, and that way it is safe. You can work underneath it and it will not fall on you. The tracks, if you need to grease the tracks so you can put pressure on them so they are not loose, so they're tight, you pull these out right here. You pull it out, you'll have a grease start in there. You can turn it to the left, it'll loosen it out, release the tracks, or you can tighten it up, put grease in it. Now we go on to the cab. You go up, easy step. It's got handle and stuff you can grab onto. The door shut, and there's handle. Obviously, the door opens like this up into the top of the cab, in case you were wondering. All right, once you're in, you have your key, which will be over here on the right hand side. Obviously it starts at these. Here's your throttle, low, high. You also have a foot pedal throttle. You got your quick release over here for your buckets, your attachments up front, open, close. Sometimes you got to play with the stick on the right side. This would be your arm stick, your control switch. This is your steering, the left side. You got to have the arm down to go anywhere. That's your safety. You also have seat belt. You don't have to use it. You got the high flow for the auxiliary. It shows you on here, but if you're wondering, down is on, up is off for your high flow. You also have the 2-way flows and 1-way flow for the auxiliary hydraulics. You want it for more power, you want it up on 2-way. Hydraulic, you want it probably on all the time with the detent mode. Also, you got your air conditioning, all that good stuff over here, you know, the essentials. Alright, to turn on your equipment, if you're using grapple, to open and close your grapple buckets, open, close, right here. If you're running a brush grinder, something like this, you want it over here, you want your auxiliary on, and you want it up here. It'll show when you turn the key. You will want it on 1 for high flow, 1 speed, okay? That's what you want it on. That's to get the max, what you want it out of it, like to get the max effect. To start your brush grinder, you simply hit this button, it'll take off. When you are done, hit that button, it turns it off. Simple, okay? Some of these gauges or buttons and stuff do not work in this because there's so much issues with it, but this one is the horn, obviously. Horn. Let me do a quick run around with you. There is a radio in it. They're kind of a pain in the butt, they kind of suck, but you can listen to some music and it's not too bad. So let me do a quick run around with it and show you a few things. tell you, this is not one of my favorite equipments to run. I'm not a big fan of them, but they do the job. They got a lot of power. So hit your button to turn your machine, your stuff on. You can tell it's got power. It ain't got a whole lot. You got eco mode. You want it on power if you're running equipment. Eco, you will not have enough power to do anything. I honestly could not tell you what this is. Don't know. These, don't know. Don't know. Don't ever touch them. We don't ever need them for anything, and we run everything on our skids. As you can tell, works just fine. Got quite a bit of power. Okay. To turn it off, remember I said, just hit the button again. Boom, done. Drop her down, put her down, lower your RPMs, throw your belt up, turn your key off, boom, good to go. Gotta kick the door because they like to stick. Other than that, that right there is the tl12 takeuchi. I'm not a big fan of them, but they get the job done. Like I said, sorry for the poor quality in the video. I'm gonna get a camera, get some other stuff, and actually start making some different videos. I'd appreciate it if you guys, you don't have to call, you don't have to subscribe, none of that stuff if you don't want to, obviously. But if you do, that's cool. So, poor quality videos, if you like them, if you want to learn a little bit more about different machines and different things, auto body, all kinds of stuff. Just keep updated on my channel, and I'll try to keep updating videos and stuff. Appreciate it, guys. The next videos will be good quality.